Hello, how to evaluate with our calculator 3 power 12 minus 3 power 9. So, here is 12. We can express it as 2 dot of 4 times 3. We have 3 power. This is 4 times 3 minus 3 power 9. We can express it as 3 times 3. Now, if you have a power n times m, this equals a power n raised to the power of n. So we apply this identity right here and here. We have 3 power 4 to the power of 3 minus 3 power 3 to the power of 3. From here, we need to find the value of 3 power 4. So, 3 power 4 is simply 3 times 3 times 3 times 3, that is 81. You have 81 power 3 minus 3 power 3 is simply 27. Then you have 27 power 3. So we are having 81 power 3 minus 27 power 3. What do we do? Now, I can decide to express this back in this particular form, right? So I can simply have 3 power 4, that is 81, raised to the power of 3, minus 3 power 3, raised to the power of 3. So this will give me 3 power 12 minus 3 power 9. So I simply express 12 as summation of 10 plus 2. So I have 3 power 10 plus 2 minus 3 power 9. Or let's use 3 power 9 plus 3. 9 plus 3, because 9 plus 3 is 12. And we have 9 here already, so that's why we are expressing it this way. From here, if you have a power n plus m, this equals a power n times a power m. So we apply this right here. We have 3 power 9 times 3 power 3 minus 3 power 9. So at this point, we need to factor out 3 power 9. I have 3 power 9 times this divided by 3 power 9. I have 27 minus 3 power 9 divided 3 power 9. I have 1. So from here, I have 3 power 9 times 27 minus 1. That is 26. So what then is the value of 3 power 9? I can have 3 power 9 as 3 to the power of 5 plus 4. So, going by this identity of a power n plus m equals a power n times a power n, going by this identity, I will simply have 3 power 5 times 3 power 4. And from here, I have 3 power 5 is 243 times 3 power 4 is 81. So we need to multiply 243 times 81 to have the value of 3 power 9. So 1 times 3 is 3, 1 times 4 is 4, 1 times 2 is 2. 8 times 3 is 24, 4 carry over 2. 8 times 4 is 32, 32 plus 2, that is 34. So we have 4 and carry over 3. So we have 8 times 2, 8, that is 16. 16 plus 3, that is 19. So we have addition here. This is 3, 8, 6, 9, 1. That is 19683. So we have 19683 times 26. So once we multiply this out, we are going to have the actual value or the final answer. So let's do that quickly. So to multiply this out, we simply have 19683 times 26. 6 times 3, that is 18. 8 carry over 1. we have 6 times 8, that is 48, plus 1, 49, 9 carry over 4, 6 times 6, 36, plus 4, 40, 0 carry over 4, 6 times 9, that is 54. So we are going to have 54 plus 4, that is 58. We have 8 and carry over 5. So 6 times 1, 6 plus 5, that is 11. 2 times 3, we have 6. 2 times 8, 16. 6 carry over 1. 2 times 6, 12 plus 1, 13. 3 carry over 1. 2 times 9, 18 plus 1, 19. 9 carry over 1. 2 times 1, 2 plus 1, 3. So what we are going to do will be to add up all this together. And that will be our final answer. So this is 8. This is 9 plus this is 15. 5 carry over 1 and add here. This is 7. This is 11. 1 carry over add here. This is 11 again 1. And add here. This becomes 5. So right now, our final answer is 511758. So that is it for 3 power 12 minus 3 power 9. We have 511,758. So guys, this is how you can actually solve this step by step. You can evaluate this without a calculator. So that is it, guys. Thank you and see you in our next video.